Let's use SCSS loops to generate classes automatically. Create our main SCSS file for loop demonstrations. Define theme colors for our utility classes. Generate color utility classes using each loop. Create text color class for each color. Create background color class for each color. Create border class for each color. Generate spacing classes using for loop. Create margin classes from 0 to 4 rem. Create padding classes from 0 to 4 rem. Create margin top classes. Create margin bottom classes. Generate font size classes with each loop. Create font size class for each size in list. Generate grid column classes using for loop. Calculate percentage width for each column. Generate opacity utility classes. Create opacity class for each 10% increment. Generate border radius classes using each loop. Create border radius class for each size. Set up base styles with dark theme. Create container for our demonstration. Create demo grid for showing generated classes. Style demo items for better visibility. Create color demonstration section. Create spacing demonstration section. Create font size demonstration section. Compile our SCSS to generate all the classes. Check how many classes were generated. View sample of generated color classes. Create HTML file to demonstrate generated classes. Create HTML structure for our loop demonstration. Open browser to see all generated classes in action. Observe how dozens of classes were created from just a few loops. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.